ये वीडियो करते हुए ऐसा लग रहा है ना यार, जैसे वो साबुन का ऐड नहीं आता है वो डव वाला कि हाफ साइड दे अप्लाई डव एंड हाफ साइड द नॉर्मल soap and how their face reacts. That is the vibe I'm getting while making this video. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I've planned a really fun video for you guys, and I'm really excited and nervous at the same time for this video. So today's video I am gonna try 2 different sheet mask. मतलब 2 different brand के sheet mask होंगे, उनके variant same हैं but different companies के हैं, and I'll be applying them on my face at the same time, keeping them for the same time and then talking about it. So एक fun fact है, ये मैं बता दूँ कि मैंने आज तक कभी भी sheet mask अपने face पे apply नहीं किया है. मैं 20 years की हूँ, मैंने आज तक एक भी sheet mask apply नहीं किया है. I know I haven't, I'm sorry, just be gentle with me. I have never applied that, and so today it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna do that, so I'm really excited. And please don't get irritated because मेरे को काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा फिगर आउट करने में शीट मास्क को कैसे निकालना है, अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करना है. मैंने वीडियोस देखा ऑफ कोर्स, मेरे को पता है क्या है उसका कॉन्सेप्ट, बट देन for trying it for the first time it's gonna be really different of course. I'll quickly show you the products that I'm using today for this video. So the first product that I have here is the Nykaa Skin Secrets Green Tea plus Aloe Vera Sheet Mask. Now this is says it's gonna rejuvenate and hydrate my skin and keep it for 15 minutes. This is 20 ml and this cost me $100 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this cost me $100. It was not on any discount. And this mask has green tea plus aloe vera. Green tea is a very good antioxidant and it helps to reduce redness, irritation, helps with acne and clogged pores and all of that. The next mask is from Garnier. It's their Hydra Bomb Green Tea plus Hyaluronic Acid Sheet Mask. And even this says to keep it for 15 minutes. This is for oily and combination skin. And yeah, this cost me $99. So both of the products I have purchased from Nykaa, and I'm gonna apply both of them at the same time. One side would be Nykaa and the other side would be Garnier, and I'm really excited, and let's hope I don't make a mess out of myself while doing this video. And yeah, before I proceed, I just want to tell one thing, that if you're someone who has sensitive skin, then please go and talk to a derma or professional before you go ahead and apply this, because maybe you can get acne, or it could act in a weird way to your skin. So do that and talk to some professional. And of course, to everyone out there, please do a patch test before you go ahead and apply any product on your face, to be on the safer side and to know if your skin is comfortable with it or not. And now, without any other blabbering that I'm doing right now, we'll just get on to the video. Okay guys, so right now I just have washed my face. I have 2 sheet masks over here, Nykaa one and the Garnier one. So I'm gonna put both of them on both the sides of my face. So before I begin, I'm just gonna clip my hair so the hair doesn't come to my face. And yeah, by the way, this side is my mirror, so I'm looking at my mirror right now. These are really good sheet masks as I feel, and since I have never applied a sheet mask on my face, this is gonna be really exciting. So I'm gonna open both the packets now and cut it from between. Here goes the Nykaa one. Serum is almost like coming out. Smells amazing. I'm thinking it's gonna be so difficult to cut this, because okay, this is how the sheet mask looks. You guys, I'm really scared. I hope I just don't, I'm so scared I'm gonna just tear this out. I just feel that I have actually tore this one. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. This is how the sheet mask looks, if you can see. Now I have to really cut it from between, which is a really big task for me right now. Okay, somehow I have managed to cut this in a half here. I'm quickly gonna do with the other side as well. I'm just gonna put the sheet mask back in. I'm gonna go for the Garnier one here. My hands are already so slippery. I can't even open this one. I need to wipe my hands somewhere. Easy to open than that one. Like what, Nykaa? Do a good job. At least, you know, helping us open a sheet mask, bro. It looks here. I have to remove this blue layer when I apply this on my face. Part here. Now this is gonna go like this on my face, so that has to go the other way. Sorry to see me struggle like this. I know you guys must be thinking, ये क्या करी यार, इतना क्यों struggle करी? This is my first time applying a sheet mask. I'm really sorry. My right side, I'm gonna apply the Nykaa one, and on the left side, I'm gonna apply the Garnier one. I'll just look at my mirror and apply this on my face here. Successfully applied this on my right side, the Nykaa one. I'm gonna go for the Garnier one now. By the way, this smells good because, you know, I don't know, this smells really good. Green tea is like my favorite, to be honest. That's what it said on the picture. So I'm gonna remove this now. Whoa. That was so easy. So somehow I have applied the mask on my face now, and this is how it. Sorry, I just can't laugh. I'll just get off. So this is how it is. My hands are all slippery, sticky. I can't even tell you how it feels right now. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes now. I'll just set the timer. Oh, but it really takes, you know, if you're cutting the sheet mask into pieces, then it's gonna take really a lot of time to settle on my face. I'm gonna start it. And I'll check you back in 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Already by the looks of it, I can say that the Nykaa one is a, you know, thin sheet mask than the Garnier one. This is a bit thick, as I can see it on my face right now. This is definitely giving me the hydration, and yeah, we'll of course check back again after 15 minutes. Been 15 minutes now, and I'm gonna take this sheet mask off. And on the packaging it said that I need to massage the leftover serum on my face, so I'm gonna do that now. Honestly, if I have to say, this has still a lot of serum in this. Like, I don't want to even do this to actually see how much serum it still has, but I feel sheet mask से यार बहुत ज़्यादा ही serum waste हो जाता है. I'm just slightly massaging the leftover on my face so that it gets absorbed, you know, easily on my face. Okay guys, so I've let the serum sit on my face and massaged it well. Now my final thoughts would be that the Nykaa one was of course easy to put my face but difficult to figure out as I took it out of the packet. The Garnier one was a bit thick. Both of them hydrated well. That is what I feel when I saw my skin. Both the sides felt really quite hydrated and not that sticky. The serum was normal, okay, but then the main fact that I feel is कि यार serum masks बहुत ज़्यादा serum waste करते हैं. दो मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा serum होता है उसमें, अभी भी बहुत सारा पैकेट में बचा. How my face looks right now. I have not done anything. I have let just the serum sit on my face. I'll just come close for you guys to see. This was the Nykaa side and this was the Garnier side. felt the Garnier was too good to use because it was really, you know, considerate of them to give that blue foil. It was easy to put on the face, and regardless of it being thick, I guess I liked the Garnier one a lot than the Nykaa one. I don't think it did much of a difference though, just the Nykaa one was a bit light. And as the sheet mask I used was a green tea variant, so let's see. I mean, it works for acne and all, but right now I have just two little quite small pimples here on my face, so let's see what it does with that. But initially when I had applied the mask, I got a little bit burning sensation over here below my nose, but that just went away with time. And I guess this mask is okay for the price, I would say. Feel hydrated, my skin feels supple and smooth, so that's a great thing about it. Overall, both of them work pretty well, but my favorite is gonna be the Garnier one, honestly. And I guess that's much pretty wrapped up about the sheet mask that I used. And if you want me to do this again, then do comment down below. So guys, that was my experiment today with two different sheet masks on my face, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of this face. And if you want me to make more of these videos with different sheet masks, different brands, and if you want me to do a series on this, then please comment down below and give it a like if you liked watching this one. If you are doing this as well, like if you are gonna try to do this, putting half and half, then do tag me anywhere. My handles will be down in the description below, and also the products links will be in the description below. And that's it for today. I hope you're safe at home, and please take care of yourselves, take care of everyone else around you. Yourself productive, do things that you like to do, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.